Furby,
Yes, sir.
beautiful day here at Longview Auto and Tire. You got yourself a 2015 Subaru Outback.
Yeah.
What you got?
Well, she kind of lost all her forward momentum.
Okay.
We found, I went ahead and checked the front end out, found a pretty significant leak out of the left front,
Okay.
the old axle shaft area.
Yep.
What happened was, and this is why it's always good to get a good quality part,
Yes.
the axle shaft had actually started to pull out.
Yeah.
And I thought to myself,
Okay.
well, how does it do that? Well, it does that when the tip of your axle shaft breaks off,
Oh,
snap ring lets go,
I'll be damned.
and the axle shaft pulls out about 2 inches or so.
Yeah.
The splines no longer line up, and you dump all your fluid on the ground.
So you were able to fish that piece out, obviously.
I was.
Yeah, very cool. There's the hole.
I was. Luckily, it's magnetic.
That's the
Otherwise,
hole.
it'd still be in there.
Huh, very nice. I've never seen that before. Have you seen that before?
Only on poor quality aftermarket parts.
Okay, so this is probably one of those really, really cheap
Yes.
axles that you buy. Very good. Thanks, Furby.
Yes, sir.